1994年第30題。The above diagram shows the label attached to a rice cooker 係電飯煲度啦。Which of the following statement is a true when the cooker is working at its weight value？ 咁咧如果係 working at its weight value 嘅意思咧，就即係話佢呢個電飯煲咧就正常係220V 嘅，咁佢要 power 係500W。咁呢個咧其實我哋就係叫做 weighting。weighting 嘅意思即係話，如果你俾220V 佢就真係出500個 W 俾你。咁當然，如果你唔俾220V 佢就唔出500 W 俾你啦。佢又問下個電阻係幾多？電阻咪96.8。咁呢個咧就係啦。如果見到 weighting 嘅話咧，一定係咁做噶啦。R 啦，就等於翻 V square over P 啦。咁其實呢條公式係 P 等於 V square over R 出嚟噶啦。咁而家 V 咧就係220個 square over 翻500。咁就會係220啦，乘220啦，除翻500，咁就係96.8啦，歐啦。咁所以咧呢一個就啱嘅。咁第二個啦，佢話 current 咧係咪 4.4A？ 咁咧嗱，因為而家我即係俾220V，咁佢咧就出到500啦。咁呢個咧就正就係 at its weight value 嘅意思。咁就所以咧，我哋就可以用 P 等於 VI 啦。P 等於 VI 咧就呢個係500，V 咧就係225I 啦。咁所以咧就會係500除翻220啦。咁所以答案咧就係2.27啦。咁答案咧就唔係 4.4A 嘅，係啦。咁咧但係要小心啦，我哋用得 P 等於 VI 咧，其實係要係 at its weight value 咧先至係用得嘅，因為佢嗰時嘅 V 真係220，佢嘅 P 咧就係500。咁到第三啦，個 cooker consume 1 kWh electric in 2 hours， 咁呢個啱唔啱咧？咁佢話而家係500個 watt 嘛，而家係500W，咁我就轉翻做 kilo 嘅話咧，就真係0.5個 kW。咁 power 咧就等於翻應該講能量咧就等於翻 power 乘翻個時間，而家0.5個 kW， 再乘翻2個鐘頭，咁 kW 乘 hour 就係 kWh， 咁0.5乘2就1，咁所以呢個就啱啦。咁所以答案咧就係13咧就啱啦。個答案就係 C。